In this video, we're going to start talking about composite types in Go programming language. And the first one will be arrays. Array is a numbered sequence of elements of a specific length, where all the values in array are zero-valued by default. Let's take the following example. That example demonstrates how to initialize a blank array of 5 integers and prints its value on the screen. The elements in array are indexed from 0 to the length of an array minus 1. This array has elements with indices starting from 0 to 4. We can get the length of the array using built-in function len. To access the elements of the array, we specify an element index in a square brackets. We can use it for both read and write. We have changed the fourth element of an array and then read the value of it. Yes, the element is fourth, even though its index is 3. That's because the elements are numbered from 0. Let me demonstrate that again. Let's use the range loop to iterate through an array elements and print their indices and values. There are our 5 elements with their indices. To read the last element of an array, as I already mentioned, we can get the array size minus 1. Since most of our elements are 0, we can't see a difference, so let's assign some value to the last element. Now we can see the value of the last element. Now let's check another form of initializing an array. In this case, we define an array and set all its elements to a specific values. Run the program again, so we can see all the values has been changed. The elements of an array can be also arrays, that will make a two-dimensional array. It is possible to define 3, 4 and many dimensional arrays. And of course we can initialize it with the custom values. It is possible to skip some elements of the array during the initialization. In this case, all the uninitialized values will have 0 values. Since arrays have a predefined length, we can add new elements into it, nor remove them. That applies some limitations on the array's usage. Because of that, in Go, slices are used more often than arrays. In the next video, we are going to talk about slices.